as President Trump floats a softer message for immigration enforcement, saying this week that farm workers may get a temporary reprieve from deportation. Others are not so lucky.
This morning, legal proceedings continued for a Honduran family torn apart after their mother who applied for asylum here lost her case and was deported without her kids. Her 3 boys remain in Arizona with their American stepfather's family. Joe Dana has the latest on this family's case and why it shows there is no perfect solution.
Cindy Solinger is a new grandma to 3 Honduran boys, now part of her family since Cindy's son married the boys' mother, Rosa, in May.
I've gotten to know her very well. She's a remarkable person. These are remarkable kids.
Cindy's son, Brian, a wildland firefighter, is at the Grand Canyon fighting a fire while battling another formidable force, the justice system.
She went from custody in the United States to custody in Mexico and then was shipped off to Honduras without her kids.
On Friday, a judge told Cindy she could accompany the kids back on a flight to Honduras, but that would mean self-deportation, placing a restriction on whether the kids could ever come back to the U.S. The family is weighing other options and have a new December court date. For now, the kids stay and will likely start a new school year.
I feel like it's been horrible, and I also feel like anything and almost everything that ICE has told any of us has not been the truth.
The family separation, a consequence of the Trump administration's aggressive immigration crackdown. Monica Sud-Devaraj, a longtime immigration attorney, says 11,000 immigration cases involving non-criminals, not considered priorities before Trump's inauguration, are now back on Phoenix immigration court calendars.
I hear this hardship every single day, and I'm just going to go on my soapbox for a minute. It's taking a toll on all us immigration practitioners to hear this every day about the families being separated.
U.S. Senator Mark Kelly also weighing in Friday, saying his office has been working with Rosa and her family. That, quote, ICE continues to make harsh and speedy decisions to remove people like Rosa, who have a family and a life here and no criminal record. Cindy and her family are Republicans who voted for President Trump. Now she says she has a different perspective.
I honestly feel that people have been very hateful, especially the Republican side, and go home and get out, and they don't have very many feelings towards these people that are actually humans. And it's been very sad to see.
This week, the president announced a softer position on some undocumented farm workers, saying they may be provided a pathway to stay.
We're going to work it so that some kind of a temporary pass where people pay taxes, where the farmer can have a little control.
Rosa's family says she was a babysitter for undocumented farm workers in the West Valley, playing an indirect role in an industry that even the president acknowledges relies heavily on undocumented workers. Joe Dana, 12 News.